Alright guys, welcome to the vlog. Today we are at the orthopedic doctor's and we've been waiting in there for like an hour. And our appointment was at 11:50 and it is now now it's 12:50. So I came out here to grab my drink. I'll let you know what happens after this, so I'll get back to you when we're done. Peace. We've been waiting for forever. My appointment was at 1:15. And it's YouTube. There's Mom. So my appointment was at 11:50. It's 1:15. Still haven't been checked in. Fun. Alright guys, it's current day. We are out in the woods for the last hour trying to shoot something before my surgery because you guys don't know. I was scheduled for a surgery for the 27th of October, so I'm trying to get out as much as I can before I get my leg fixed. So I'll let you guys know after we get done. Peace. Alright guys, so it is Saturday. Yesterday was Friday, today's Saturday. We are up in the morning and we're going to go hunt until like 9. Then we have to go to Pumpkinville, so peace. Hey guys, I haven't seen anything yet. We're gonna be leaving here in about 45 minutes because we gotta go to Pumpkinville, like I was saying. And then, I've only seen squirrels and chipmunks and stuff, so. But there's a guy over at his house with his freaking leaf blower. That's always convenient. But get you guys when we get out of here.